everybody, I have a haul and a share of something that somebody asked for. So I thought I'd go ahead and share the haul first, and if you don't want to stick around for the share, that's fine. So I ordered some things from Tailored Expressions. What made me go there? One of the dies that I purchased made me go there. And since I was looking around at their items, I don't think I've ever ordered directly from them before. But this time I did. And I got this Build-A-Gingerbread die. This is the base. So you can see how big the gingerbread is. He's almost as big as my hand. Pretty good sized gingerbread there. And then this one is the clothes. So it's the attire that coordinates with it. And so you can make a girl and a boy gingerbread. I just thought that I would like trying this out with this size gingerbread. I know I have some smaller ones, and I do have larger ones, but they don't have the clothes that go with them that are really cute. So, yeah. I know it's not Christmas, but, you know, why not? They did send me a free die. It says, our gift to you. And this is a little die that says, create. So, that was really nice of them. I'm just going to put that back in here because I know I'll lose it. Keep track of it. And this is actually the die that I went for. This is a display easel. I know I purchased one with a recent kit that I got from a D-Stash from Paper Tray Inc., but I thought this would be a nice one to also have, which is designed a little bit differently. Tailored Expressions has their calendar kits, and you can buy like the empty calendars every year. And this is the easel you can use to display them, but I wasn't thinking about using it for calendars, although it can be used for that. This has a little shelf here, this die right here in the set, and you can put it anywhere on the easel. And here's the size of the easel. So you're going to cut two of these larger shapes here, and then adhere them together into like a triangular shape. I believe the finished size of it will be somewhere around 6 inches, which, if you think about it, you can fit an A2 size card on. So that's what I was thinking. It is a little bit more narrow than an A2 size card because it is, let's see, 3 3/4 inches, and an A2 size card is usually 4 1/4 inches wide if you're doing a portrait one. So, but this little ledge right here will help you to create a shelf for the easel. So I got that die. Excuse me. And then I got these two background dies. This one is like streamers that hang down. It's called Curly Q. Excuse me. And then this one is called Frame Roses. So you can see it's got roses all the way around, but this is open in the middle. So that is my haul from Tailored Expressions. The next part of this is this baguette die that some of you had asked me to put together for you. This is the Stamp Market, and that's where I purchased it from. If you guys are wondering, there is the website. It's on sale. It was on sale a few days ago when I looked. So you get the bag and these accessory dies for it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like put together. Here it is. And it's a good size bag for putting treats in. Now, like I said before when I first showed it to you, this has a flap on the top to close it. And when you cut two pieces, you will have two pieces, each with their own flap. And I've cut this out of a 12 by 12 sheet of Stampin' Up! Paper. The die is just shy of 6 inches wide, so it will fit in a Big Shot, regular size Big Shot. And I don't believe you need the extended plates to do it either, because it's just short of the actual regular plates. So you'll have two flaps, and you can make this bag look in a couple of different ways. So if you did not want to use the flaps, you can cut them off, or you can tuck them in. and it will look like this. And you can then take one of your, and of course this is before you glue it together, you can take this die right here and cut a slit into it so it looks like it's got, you know, like a shopping bag with handles. Or you can use these two little holes right here and die cut the holes on both sides, and run some ribbon through it so it would close through the holes. Now that the holes don't have to be here in the bag, they can be here in the flap itself. So if you wanted to close the flap like this, you'd have a little more height in the bag. Or you can close it like this. So that's kind of a little bit nicer. It's closed at the top. There's a little gap there. So if you had something a little taller, you could put something in there. You can, last way I could think of doing it was like this, where you use one of the flaps and you could tuck the other one in, which is how I had it originally to close. So there's no adhesive needed to do the actual closer, and the person who gets the bag can reuse it if they want for something else. But this is the bag put together. Some of you had asked to see it. If you guys want the measurements, I'm about to give them to you only because I have the ruler here. It's 3 1/4 inches wide by 4 3/4 inches tall. And I did that already. And the bottom is about 2 inches deep. So, guys, also just remember that if you ask me to put something together, I don't always have the time to do that. But I just want to let you know that, you know, I understand you have a request because some people need to see it. But you can also search for these things online using Google search, whatever you want to use for your search engine. But oftentimes I will mention the manufacturer, so you can go to their website and see images of the same thing put together. If I don't get a chance to put it together for you, because I don't always have time to do that, given my schedule and my crafty time and my other activities. But there it is for those of you who wanted to see it. It is a really cute bag, and I can see using this for a lot of different things. So anyhow, that's it for now, and talk to you later. Bye.